What?
What?
It's ready.
Mommy!
Yeah. Food is ready. What?
What?
It's ready.
Mommy! What
This
is
means
this?
our food. Huh? If I say
Our food.
if I say what happened? But it's not good. It's food. It's missing our food.
Yes.
I squeeze inside your food.
Yes.
Even you.
Yes.
I squeeze inside your food.
Yes.
Okay, guys, what are you going to do now?
We don't know.
We don't know. We will not eat this food because it means inside.
Yes, it's true.
You are not eating.
No.
You don't want to eat.
No.
Oh God. Thank you, Jesus. Today is the great day of me. Let me eat this food so that I will go and relax myself. My children rejected my food today. This yummy food, they said they are not going to eat it because I sleep. Should I sneeze again? Okay. It's because you don't want us to eat, that's why you sneeze inside. Okay, don't worry now, we'll eat. Don't worry. No, you guys are not going to eat. Don't worry. No, you guys are not going to eat. Don't worry. Let me enjoy myself. No, let's eat together. No. Let me go bring fork. Please now. No. Wait. You have to remove the spoon. I want to remove the spoon. What are you talking about? I will help you to remove it now. Let me go bring fork. Please now. Okay, look at it. Yes. Let's eat. No, in Africa we don't use fork, we use hand. Okay, we in Europe we use No, please now, mommy. No. Let me remove this piece. I want to help you to remove it. No. I said, oh. Mommy. Hey, please now, you're almost there. Don't be stingy. Not in the fall, yo. Look at this very beautiful and plenty food that you cook. You want to eat it all by yourself? It's not good though.